Okay. So you were having all sorts of neck tension, and then what else was going on today?
Well, no, today has been okay, but the neck has been getting like dislocated is the word that comes to mind.
Okay.
Where it's just like it kind of frees up, and then I get a few good pops during the day.
Yeah.
Um, Not so bad today, but
All right. All right, I'm gonna do a muscle test. I'm gonna push your head away from your shoulders like that. Don't let me do that. Ready? Go. Good. Same thing over here. Don't let me go. Pretty good, actually. Bring your elbows up like so. Good. I'm gonna push down both sides. Don't let me. Great. Elbows in there. Good. I'm gonna push down towards the table. Resist that pressure. Don't let me. Again. Not so much. Okay. Let's try this one. Pushing down. Don't let me. Ready, go. Yeah, not so good. Okay. Good. Hold it right here. Pushing, don't let me. Much better. Okay, let's try the other side. Pushing down, don't let me. Not so good. Good. Right there. Pushing down, don't let me. Much better. Okay. Arm, palm facing down. Keep your elbow locked. I'm going to push towards me out like that. Okay. Don't let me do that. Not so good. Okay. Straight, flat hand. I'm going to pull towards me. Don't let me. Go. Pushing. Don't let me. Go. Hold it there. I'll push you. You just resist.
okay.
Tough. Okay. Bend your wrist. I'm going to push from here. Don't let me. Okay. Extend. Pushing. Don't let me. That's a little bit better. This was tough though, huh? Okay.
It's sore.
Yeah. Good. Flex here. Pushing. Don't let me. Much better. Palm down. Elbow locked. Coming towards me. Don't let me. Again. Again. Keep it down. Yeah, that's good. Bend your elbow. I'm going to pull towards me. Don't let me do that. Great. Push in here. Don't let me go. Again.
That hurts.
Yeah. Okay. Breathe. Good. Okay. Arm here. Pushing down. Don't let me. Still no good. Okay, relax. Good. Hold it right here. Pushing down. Nope. Good. Hold it right there. Pushing. A little better. Okay. Bent elbow. Pulling towards me. Again. Okay. Put your right palm on your ear. Okay. Relax. Breathe. Good. Elbow here. Pulling towards me. Much better. Good. Hips are rotating okay. Pushing here like this. Don't let me. Ready, go. Again. A little weak. Other side. Pushing here. Good. Turn face that way. Good. Good. Leaning back. Okay. Pushing here, don't let me. Great. Pushing down and out, don't let me. Again. Eek. Down and out, don't let me. All right. Turn face over here. Turn your head towards me. behind your back. Pushing down and out. Don't let me go. Here we go. Cool. Okay, come on up.